Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for latest update. Hello friends, welcome back to Foziki Alfaz. In this video, we will discuss 27th April most important one-liner current affair. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Justice N.V. Ramana took oath as the 48th Chief Justice of India. He will hold the post for 16 months until August 26, 2022. Justice Ramana succeeds Justice S.A. Bobde, who demitted office on April 23rd. Indian President Ram Nath Kovind administered the oath at a brief ceremony held at Rashtrapati Bhavan. The PM CARES Fund has approved allocation of funds for setting up 551 pressure swings adsorptions medical oxygen generation plants at public health facilities in the country. Information Technology has appointed Rekha Menon Senior Managing Director of Accenture in India for the year 2021-22. Rekha Menon is the first woman in NASSCOM 30-year history to be appointed as the chairperson of the organization. The National Association of Software and Service Companies is a global non-profit business organization of the Indian information technology and business process outsourcing industry. It facilitates trade in software and service and encourages intelligent advance in software technology. The opening ceremony of the Boao Forum for Asia BFA Annual Conference 2021 was held in Boao, South China. BFA is celebrating its 20th anniversary this year. The Boao Forum for Asia BFA was founded by 25 Asian countries and Australia. Boao Forum for Asia is a non-profit organization providing leaders, businessmen and academics etc. of national government of Asia and other countries a platform to share their vision on global issues. Wipro Limited overtook Noida-headquartered SCL Technologies to become the third largest Indian IT service company by market capitalization. Wipro has resigned the sport after a gap of 18 months. Pandit Rajan Mishra, the famous singer of Banaras Gharana, passed away. Rajan Mishra was infected with corona. During this time, he suffered a heart attack. Rajan Mishra and his brother Sajan Mishra were famous for singing in the Khayal style. The pair was awarded the Sanskrit Award by the Government of India in 1971. Ministry of Civil Aviation and Directorate General of Civil Aviation have granted condition exemptions to the Indian Council of Medical Research for conducting feasibility study of COVID-19 vaccine delivery using drones in collaboration with IIT Kanpur. Ministry of Civil Aviation, Headquarters New Delhi. Minister for Civil Aviation, Hardeep Singh Puri. India's first floating storage and regasification unit has arrived at H Energy Jaigarh terminal in Maharashtra. The FSRU Hoeg Giant, which sailed from Keppel Shipyard, Singapore, was berthed at Jaigarh terminal in Maharashtra. India is placed 8th on the overall medals tally with 1 gold and 2 bronze medals at the Asia Wrestling Championship 2021 at Almaty, Kazakhstan. Scripting a sensational comeback, an aggressive Sarita Moore reeled off 9 straight points in the summit clash to retain her Asian Championship title in 59 kg, while Seema Bisla and Pooja settled for bronze medals at the Continental Championship. United World Wrestling, headquarters Lausanne, Switzerland. Priyanka Mohite has become the first Indian woman to scale Mountain Annapurna, the 10th highest mountain in the world. The US space agency NASA successfully flew its teeny robotic helicopter Ingenuity on Mars, becoming the first human-made machine to take flight on another planet. NASA headquarters Washington DC. Formation July 29, 1958. Presiding agency National Advisory Committee for Aeronautics. The Indian Naval Air Squadron INAS 323, the first unit of the indigenously built ALH Advanced Light Helicopter Mk-3rd aircraft, was commissioned into the Indian Navy by Union Minister of State for Defence Shripad Nayak at INS Hans in Goa. Ministry of Defence, headquarters New Delhi. Founded 15th August 1947. Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat. Chief of the Army Staff General Manoj Mukund Narwane. Chief of the Navy Staff Admiral Karambir Singh. Chief of the Air Force Staff Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhadoria. In a stunning close to a larger predictable Oscar ceremony, Anthony Hopkins was Best Actor for his work in The Father over the late Chadwick Boseman, who died last year of cancer and has swept award season so far for his performance in Ma Rainey's Black Bottom. Chaloi Zhao made history at the 93rd award as the first woman of color to win the Oscar for Best Director for Nomadland, which also won Best Picture. Reserve Bank of India has approved the appointment of Atanu Chakraborty as the part-time chairman of the bank for a period of 3 years with effect from May 5, 2021 or the date of his taken charge, whichever is later. Reserve Bank of India, headquarter Mumbai, Maharashtra, established 1st April 1935. First Governor Sir Osborne Smith. First Indian Governor Chintaman Dwarkanath Deshmukh. Governor Shaktikant Das. So this is all about today's video. Please like and share this video and subscribe the channel. I will see you in the next video. Take care and Jai Hind. Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for latest update.